welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today, guys, we have my long-awaited Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes unboxing. Guys, I am so excited. I literally just picked this up this morning. Honestly, I need to collect myself. I had been waiting for this bad boy. My last box was, I think, the June one. It is now the September box, and I know we're in October, but guys, it's okay. They ship near the end of the month. This actually got to me, I think, the 29th of September, and today is the 5th. So that's not bad. I just waited a little bit. I had to go across the border. I'm just gonna, warning, put this out here. No, they do not have international shipping yet. I did go across the border and pick this up at my P.O. box. So I am just so happy I finally have these again. My little slice of Disney directly to my door. Honestly, so excited. I need to get into this. I'm just gonna quickly go over the company before I get into it. It is a monthly Disney subscription service. It is completely and 100% customizable. You go on your online profile, you fill out their questionnaire, fill it out to a T. Honestly, put every single detail you can. The more detail you put into it, the better they can get for you. So you do that. You obviously create an account, and then there's also different boxes that you can choose from. I get the Dream subscription, there's also the Wishes, Fantasy, and then there's the Ultimate Magic, which is $119. They also have the Sparkle box and the Bling box, which is like $9 and $19. So honestly, from $9 all the way to $119, there is something there for everyone and every price point. They also have their Wizards box. They also have like a pet box, coffee box, snack box. They literally have everything. If you guys wanted to check out their website, I will leave it linked in the description box below, as well as if you haven't seen any of my other Disney unboxings, I will leave it linked up in the cards, as well as my Disney playlist down below. So without further ado, let's get into the September box, because I am honestly just gonna rip this open. So I have on my Sally ears that I did get in one of my boxes, and I also have on my new Jack shirt that I literally bought today. I have literally just sliced on the bottom, have not looked at anything, and I think, yes, this is their new packaging. I haven't seen it in person yet. My box is a little bit dirty, but I have 3 other ones that I saved from before that are very, very clean and hanging up or are on my shelving. So once you cut the tape and you open it, I'm gonna give you guys the first look. What do we see? What do we see? Okay, we have blue tissue paper. I'm just gonna put this over here to the side, guys. And we have our little card. I have received this one before. B-I-B-B-I-D-I, Bibbidi Bobbidi Society. Heads held high, touch the sky, bringing you magic of Disney. Through storm and rain and dark of night, never fail to do what's right. And this is the Mouseketeers, I think it is, with Bianca and Bernard. Did I get that right? Because I remember the first time I didn't, and everyone was like, that's not their names. But that's who it is. And we also have our spoiler alert, which is so cute. It's Daisy dressed up as Maleficent. Oh my god. Honestly, I love that. I'm definitely going to keep this. You do not want to look on there because it's going to tell you everything inside your box. So I'm quickly just going to rip open the tissue paper. I'm going to let you guys have the first look again, because I honestly love when you guys can see before I can. Okay, ready? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry. I can't even breathe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm literally crying. I saw this. Someone posted this on their Instagram. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. I have the Oogie Boogie popcorn bucket. Oh my god. I love this so much, and this is honestly my first popcorn bucket ever. Oh my god, I love you, I love you, I love you. I need to get myself together. Oh my god, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of this, because honestly, this is beautiful. I honestly can't even believe this. Oh my god. Ladies, I love you so much. And this is literally just the September box. Does it talk? That is so cool. And then they stay on. Oh, they turn off. I didn't even notice that until I saw this little thing in the bottom. Oh my god, I need to keep that in there so the batteries don't go dead. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you, Brenda, Becky, and Amanda. Oh my god. I love you guys so much. Oh my god, thank you. Also, I kind of threw the thing away really quickly, but this is a Disney Parks Resort exclusive. They put the little stickers on it when it comes straight from the parks. Also, I quickly see I also got popcorn. Oh my god. So this is the Main Street Popcorn Company, and I got it in cheddar, and now I can put it inside my little popcorn bucket even though I'm not at the parks. Oh my god. Okay, I need to open this because I have never, fair warning, never tried Disneyland popcorn. Please don't kill me. Again, this is cheddar, guys. It smells really good. Super cheesy. I'm gonna go share this with my daughter. She will love this. Oh my god, okay. That's next. I think I still have 2 more items in my box. Oh my god! I have a Wonderground Gallery. This is my first one. Again, this is a Disney Parks Resort exclusive item, and it is of Alice in Wonderland. Oh my god, guys. You have the March Hare, White Rabbit, Cheshire Cat, Tweedledee, Tweedledum, Alice, Mad Hatter, and everything in here. Oh my god, this is amazing. I am going to frame this and put it up on my wall. This is my first Wonderground Gallery postcard ever. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love this so much. And then this one did have a price on it for $4.99. And last but not least in my box, I have the Disney Hugs Mystery Pin Collection. Oh my gosh. Oh, a little piece of confetti was stuck to it. So these are the Disney Hugs, so it's kind of like the 2 of them in the pair. Again, this is a Disney Parks exclusive item, and this one did retail for $14.99. Okay guys, are we gonna open it together? I think we should. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the characters on the back. I want you to pause this video and take a guess down below in the comment section what one you think we're gonna get. I'm hoping for, Mickey and Pluto, or Chip and Dale, or even Stitch, or even Bullseye and Jessie. I would really take any of these, so I'm really super excited. So take a guess down below which one you think we got. Okay, ready? So we had 2 of them. Okay, let's, oh, that one flew. Okay, I want you guys to see first. It's kind of square, so I'm wondering who this is. I got the Stitch one. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my god. Lilo and Stitch look so cute together. They're hugged. They look so like in love with each other. And best friends forever. And next up, I can open this. I can never open these. Who do we get? Who do we get? Oh, we got Pinocchio! Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't watched my Pop in a Box, link up here for my video. I just got someone. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love the detail on these pins. Honestly, is amazing. So guys, that was everything in this month's Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Guys, I am literally blown away at what I got. I am honestly so grateful. I'm gonna quickly go over the spoiler alert with you guys. So, Disney Parks exclusive popcorn bucket was $25. The Wonderground Gallery, which I told you was $4.99. The Disney Parks exclusive trading pin set was $14.99. And then the Disney Parks 1 ounce popcorn was $5.95. So my total retail value was $50.93. And again, I only paid $34.99. Honestly, if they just sent me this, I would have been totally okay with it, honestly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. And the pins, spot on. I'm going to go add this to my pin board, as well as the popcorn. And I'm super excited about that Wonderground Gallery postcard. I'm definitely framing that tonight. Like, honestly, I am so excited to put that up on my wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you did want to sign up for Bibbidi Bobbidi, I will leave the link in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. What was your favorite item in my box? Or if you get Bibbidi Bobbidi, what was your favorite item in your box? I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!